We still can.
All right, we're about to see if these LED lights will turn on, and his tail light or his rear lights don't turn on either. We're going to change out the fuse at 10A where the tail lamp is, and that should turn it on. Because my buddy with the Diamond Graphite G, he had the same problem, and his lights turned on. All right, 10A, it is blowing. Look. You see, so if your daytime running lights, is that how you say it? Or running daylights?
Yeah.
And tail lights don't work, it'll be this fuse. The fifth one, yeah, the tail lamp. Yeah, 10A tail lamp. And it'll be on the left side. All right, put the battery back. Let's see if these work. And the tail lights. Oh shit! Yo! Hey, and he was like that for like, how long were you running it, like with no lights on?
Bro, I was running without them for like about, I want to say, a good like 3 months, 4 months. Maybe longer than that.
Easy fix, man, I'm telling you. Yup. Yes, sir.
That's crazy.
All right, tell them about like, subscribe, send me their
Bro, make sure to like, subscribe, even ask questions in the comments. Bro.
Yeah, bro.
This guy will know everything.
Social security, everything, bro.
He'll know.
Yes,
everything
sir.
About DE, bro. Anything you need.
The DE god.
He'll let you know, bro. even if he has to take apart his engine or whatever part you're asking about, he'll do it. Make a video for you, and might even send it personal, bro.
Hell yeah.
Just make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
Yes, sir. You know what though? I bet y'all won't cook my phone though.
Cook that bitch. Cook that bitch. On God.
Damn, the camera broke. Subscribe, like, next video.